Hello, aspiring millionaires. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to success and turn your dreams of financial abundance into reality? In this exclusive video, I will reveal the 9 essential steps you must take to pave your way to becoming a millionaire. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Without a roadmap, how will you know where you're headed? Define your financial targets, break them down into manageable milestones, and watch as your vision comes to life. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning and self-improvement are key ingredients in the recipe for success. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or honing new skills, never stop investing in the most valuable asset you have, yourself. Step 3. Surround yourself with success. They say you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your inner circle wisely, seek mentors who have walked the path before you, and let their success inspire and guide you. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Create multiple streams of income. Diversify your revenue streams, explore new business opportunities, and watch your wealth multiply. Don't rely on a single source of income, let your money work for you across various channels. Step 5. Practice gratitude and visualization. Cultivate a positive mindset, express gratitude for your current blessings, and visualize your millionaire lifestyle with clarity and conviction. The power of manifestation is real. Harness it to attract abundance into your life. Step 6. Prioritize health and wellness. A healthy body and mind are essential tools in your journey to success. Exercise regularly, eat well, and take care of your well-being to ensure you have the energy and vitality to pursue your goals relentlessly. Step 7. Network strategically. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards, it's about building meaningful relationships that can open doors and create opportunities. Attend industry events, connect with like-minded professionals, and watch your network become your net worth. Step 8. Manage your money wisely. Financial literacy is the key to preserving and growing your wealth. Budget effectively, save diligently, invest prudently, and watch your financial empire flourish. Step 9. Take calculated risks. Fortune favors the bold, so don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and seize opportunities that others may overlook. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and let your courage propel you towards extraordinary success. And there you have it, the 9 essential steps to becoming a millionaire. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey filled with dedication, perseverance, and unwavering belief in your own potential. So go out there, dream big, and make your millionaire dreams a reality.